course you have opted and the year you have passed out is?
ECE 2019.
Okay, and the first parameter is faculty. On the basis of your experience, how was the faculty in the university? Like, they were helpful, they were teaching well?
Yeah, they were very good.
Okay, what would you like to give the rating out of 10 for the faculty?
10.
Okay, and tell me about the student diversity, like maximum of students are coming from which location, within the state or outside the state?
It's like, I don't think like it's specific from some locations. They were like people equal. Coming to engineering, there were people from North, Telugu, and everyone percentage, if you take us percentage, is equal.
Okay, okay, for like majority would be like?
I can't say like majority because everyone was equal. I see more Malayalis, more North people, more Tamil people.
Okay. Okay, so it was like everywhere, from everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And what would be the profile of the students, the average percentage in the 12 to get the admission here?
12 admission, I think pass mark is enough.
Passing mark is enough, okay. And how was the environment with the students over there? Like they are from different states, right? How was the environment with them?
You will develop it's like good atmosphere.
Okay, were they like friendly?
Good experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so what would you give the rating for the student diversity out of 10?
10.
Okay, so tell me about the facilities provided by the university, like the classrooms, AC, non-AC, projector, seating comfort, library, lab.
Yeah, I would like to do 9.
Okay, and for the medical facilities, how was the medical facilities?
It's 10.
Okay, and the sports and extracurricular activities, how was that?
8.
Okay, and if you are going to give for this all around facilities, what would you rate out of 10?
9.
Okay, and tell me about the accommodation, like the hostel facilities. How was the hostel?
10.
Like 10. Okay, the quality was good. The food quality in the hostel.
Yeah.
And how was the occupancy, like the room occupancy? How many seaters?
4. 4 is good. I think even 4 is good.
Okay.
Taking a room alone with single is 4 is good. Better.
Okay.
You don't have any discipline.
Was it hygienic?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. And how was there any restrictions of using any electrical appliances over there?
I think we should not use like cookers, prestige, like inductions and electric cookers. Yeah, we should not use that.
Okay. And how was the quality of food in the canteen?
Canteen, yeah, it's good.
Okay. Okay. So what would you give the rating for the accommodation?
Accommodation is your 10.
Okay. And tell me about the admission process. Was it easy to take the admission here, difficult or extremely difficult?
It's easy.
Okay. And was there any entrance exam by the university?
While I entered, it was there.
Okay.
But right now, I'm not sure. I don't know.
Okay. And what about the scholarship program? Do they provide scholarships?
Yeah, I think this year they are providing some scholarship for if I was studied BTech in Karunya, so if I continue higher PG there, I think I have some scholarship facilities. And the people was if my sister or my own family members were coming there, and some scholarships will be there.
Okay, okay. And what would you give the rating for the admission process over there out of 10?
Admission, yeah, 10.
Okay. And tell me about the placement assistance provided by the university. How was the placements?
Yeah, many placements come, but it's like many of them were like video, they bring placements, lots of placements, but most of the placements was like video.
Okay. And what would be the providing the average and the highest salary packages?
Yeah, if you take also good companies. If you passed in ASEAN, it will be like good companies like that. I like Robert Bosch. Yeah, they give a higher salary.
Oh, okay.
It's like but a very less company. But if you go, it was like BPO companies. They give like of course if you go out and search, even you will get 12,000. Even in college, you will get the same 12,000.
Oh.
They won't give more than that.
Oh. Okay, okay. So, what would you rate for the placements given by the Karunya University out of 10?
They provide us our talent to get into a higher companies. Yes, of course, like higher companies like Robert Roach and also come for their placements. It's our talent to enter into it. They give salary like 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs per annum.
Oh, okay. So, what would you like to rate for the placements over here?
9.
Okay. Okay, so my last question for you is, why did you choose Karunya University and who suggested you?
I think some people said food will be good there. That's why I just starting to Konya.
Okay.
Nothing much to that.
Okay, okay. Then thanks for participating in our survey.